dogs will sit as default. As they can't look up to the sky, when they go to look up at us, they will often sit or jump up, which obviously we don't really want. So sit's a really preferred option. Sit also is a great doggy way of saying please. However, not all dogs like to sit. Some older dogs or larger dogs find it uncomfortable or painful, so they might prefer to lie down or stand. We teach sit, drop and stand so our dogs have a choice. Here's sit. So the first step is to take a treat. We put the treat to the dog's nose. We will lift the treat ever so slightly and slowly above the dog's head, going backwards until their bottom hits the ground. When their bottom hits the ground, we give them the treat. The treat is the lure. Eventually, this will become our hand signal and the treat will only come after they have sat. For drop, we're also going to use a lure. Treat in front of the nose, pull down very slowly down the chest, out along the ground, and as soon as the dog's tummy hits the ground, give the treat. Again, this will become our hand signal, the hand pointing down to the ground, and the treat will only appear after the dog has laid down.